In another study by Moffitt-Caspi and Terry Moffitt and others, they actually also studied the effects of one of the MAO genes on aggressive outcomes in children in a study of children in New Zealand. And when they looked at the whole group, they did not find strong effects of the MAO gene on aggressive outcomes. When they divided their sample into groups of kids that had either experienced abusive upbringings versus those that had more normal, benign home environments, they actually found that the MAO gene had a strong relationship in the group of kids with the more negative home environments. So the Moffitt and Caspi study gives us a good example of how genes and environment actually can interact with one another, so that it may actually require a combination of an adverse environment coupled with a genetic risk to produce the most negative outcomes. And in fact, in the twin and adoption studies on antisocial behavior and aggression, we find this gene-environment interaction appearing again and again. It seems that genetic influences seem to have the strongest effect in the presence of adverse environments. So although genes could have a small effect in more benign environments, the effects of genes that are deleterious can be exacerbated in deleterious environments.